minute of Parrotlet bliss. My little girls just doing their thing. This one, who's trying to give me a nose piercing, is Raindrop. This sweet little girl is Dulce. And Cielo is on my neck, preening herself. Are you going to come back in the picture? Yeah, there you go. Now, parrots eat jewelry. And they preen you. They cause hangnails. They bite. And they pierce noses or try. But, ow, they are very sweet. Once they are older, they leave their vampire ways behind and they stop biting, piercing. Then they just preen. They're very, very sweet. And I always find that the little boys have more blue, but the little girls are so loving. So there's my minute of bliss being broken up by their natural mean behavior. Hey, no, Raindrop.